Eti for me ma ubi biara akwa eba The Voice TV. Sabre eye enseme etwegu oman Ghana. Yenko na yenkoti ensem no enchemu.
Edemo shasiye edi afuyira afrecha yeboa nakati. Odi atudwa se manso a ababeto honom efa Attorney General Richard Jakpa ene minority leader ntemu enam so eme ni bi pieye se ene no Attorney General ene openi Richard Jakpa no a obeye between na emra no mo koto ambulance no ene oni na akwa kodi nkomo e okukomu a eti amra no ena no adebeto dwase court akwa kwaje ni na tum na ira afrecha yeboa oya balo ya penia be di ekira Ojina asem no mo kyerese omode ne wo ninim nyina no wo mo enim de danti bibie ne hono mo a ebetimi afu omumu
mo prison wa mani sene na Ato Forson no sene so na entisa tintin se nensa bia ba mani no mu de nyame asete asema me ka kire abrofo me amanfo na eboaye na ye so
rest there. We are going to examine him. I don't know if you make your own judgment. Whether it's credible or not credible. He has given his evidence, and I don't want to prejudge us before the court. That's his case. We also confronted with our case, and the court will make a decision out of it. I will not say because already something in the audio that we've heard, so it's not something new. I don't want to comment because you see, it's a life matter. That's evidence in chief, and as counsel, I don't have to comment on specific. As I said, when we come to court on Tuesday, all those things will be tackled. Oh, the judge decided to make a ruling, and that's how the law works. Today, the judge said objections are not something that she was going to take. So they rested there, and wait for our side with the matter, and you'll be marveled. You rested there. Oh, the judge has given a ruling. That's how the law works. If you think you don't want something to be admitted, you raise an objection. This is the duty of the judge to make a pronouncement of such objections. The judge has done so. That's rule of law. Not at all, because this audio is something that you have heard, isn't it? Haven't you heard it? You've heard it. So what is new in it? But it's about procedure. So in terms of the content, you are not minded by that because it's something that is in the public domain. But as to whether you can tender a recorded or secretly recorded audio is something that we don't want to test, because that's why we're talking about law, not about public sentiments, whether you are comfortable, you're not comfortable. It's about due process. And the judge says that that's due process, it can be tendered. You're going by it. Whether it's credible or not credible, I said it's a life matter. As a lawyer of at least 22 years standing, I will not conduct my case in the media by saying it's credible, it's not credible. But come to court on Tuesday and hear our side of the matter. He reserves the right to be in court. He reserves the right not to be in court. At the time that he wants to be in court, you see him. If he doesn't want to be in court, you also not see him. So it's just normal. If the Attorney General does not prosecute all the cases in our office, if in this particular matter, sometimes he comes, other times he doesn't come. Today he's not in. It doesn't mean the next time you'll not be coming. So you leave it there. Tuesday, Wednesday, next month, I'm saying this matter that we started, we are going to prosecute it to its conclusion. What approach? If you can. The Attorney General is vested with the power to prosecute, and if he needs to prosecute, he just want to rest there.
Observant way a ban lawyer penny abedi yura afrechian yeboa ena yete in Kenya na ochichi menra the see or court on memra na judge na je enina tumu na ebraso so penny Richard Jakpa no was chese enkomo Attorney General ni di ordinary ebaye no omo atoto na no awie na duru say also Attorney General mpedin forso so no etoto na no na judge ni ne say omo fa asem no entwire hodom no dom for ya dom brada omo nsa so emeto so yesem obo sasemi yani edi echi de bifra to bia no yemfa enkamemo yedemo constitutional review commission wono atena ye na omodi nsusuye bi eba se ebeya o my Ghana yakoye nim we democracy yekebma menka bi mu no eni kwan se esida se ebeya adwen se emra se bejafo dodo no a e mra se bejafiem no yede bi akoka ho mu nsusuye ene se mra se bejafo na boro so kra no eye 277 enei South see my God, I'm not saying that for Mugum, say the same one, or more enam 275. Tomo say, Abro Socrano, you know, pet and West Yasud Edecoca Hubio, and which or more adding to see a basse, a brass say regional minister, any deputy ministers here, a yaman penning or power woman, almost said, word you may be a woman, a yenty, Sanya Manina, so a deputy minister, so a regional minister, sad the burning and a beya. Constitution no womo entwem emfemfiri hono na president bia ba the ministers we yama na bro sokra no ene kwan se ebro 25 empedimfo no nchechiremu a omode ma ye ni
the recommended abolishment of all positions related to deputy ministerial positions, so which Ghana should not have deputy ministers. They also have recommended that Ghana should not have regional ministers. They say that it flouts equity rules, where the president receives money from the public purse and not pay tax on his emoluments. They recommended an amendment to the Constitution to allow the president to pay tax. He said, the ministers of state can be appointed from Parliament or outside Parliament. They've introduced a new provision which says that where a minister of state is appointed from Parliament, that minister must resign. That is their recommendation. As MP. Yes, from Parliament. You can only be in Parliament as MP. And then there will be a by-election. Well, so that is their recommendation. We will discuss that as we go on. But that is what they are recommending. Now, they also think on the legislature, they are of the view, the considered view, that our Parliament, and they are proposing a cap of 277. Because I sat in some of the committee meetings, I understand why they are proposing a cap of 277. We have one constituency that is not represented, the SAL area. The Electoral Commission is taking steps to make sure that in the next Parliament there is a representative.
Obzianti we ye ensusia Constitutional Review Commission in Penninfo no womo ede eba se yenyan sachire wo yamamra constitution no mo natimi aboa e wo my Ghana ye kebma minkebi no atumpon ye to aso ne de mako yenuano musumifo wo mo atena ye na yenuano musumifo wa kontu konkro a afi bia wo mo etuo eko haj ko bompa ye esere otwedi amponyankrompon Allah so wontonsu papa emfa enwu man so a afi so no wo mo ahyase a wo mo akwakodu Saudi Arabia bonten so a wo mo edwampa ye na ababetodwa se Ghana desia womo ewo Saudi Arabia omu dwampaye ama omayi no emu bienu ahwere wono nkwa ya na enkra no ekyerese womo eya adesie bi a womo nti efi damangwa bonten so ewo Savannah region na entete na ekyerese na no kwasi ede ya na yudikan efi mu ya na de otoso mienu no so no eye ukwade ye twemu na no so efi mu chairman of the Hajj board no Alhaji Ben Abdullah Banda na okyerese ehadwene pa sabrede wono abo omabusua ene wo madofo amane de akwakosi wo Saudi Arabia bonten so a wo eye ntutuye bia sefata bia sebeye na abusua no mu bidi enkomatwetwe nkomato adwene esesu adwene ma hwekwane a adesie no ombeye amamre ni amane wo musumi kwanso no mo eje wo kwan kran nti weyi eyarehosem a yetete edi free Saudi Arabia bonten so se Ghana ma adesia omokoye so omokwa bompa ye musumi ekwan so no mumienu akwa free mu a Hajj board penimpa woni nsamtwefo edi nkoma wachichirim ede ama nsamtwefo yento aso ne mfa monko apomdi no ebeto just global fund penimfo edi nrobi efra buicha ba bedumo mayi a kese ababodom ewo tema habo ne takrade habo a se beye ne ebeyi nroi no eno so akwa ebuachi bidi we de china na no ada meeting bi a ekoso ewo Geneva bonten so no global fund penning for the kokobogba Ghana penning for se ya na Ghana ba be ye dia efi ne ko omo emre ye duro bi abiem so mo di no be breyen amena gu habo be afe ene fade a